If you want to check ambient noise levels with your Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, you have to click on the crown control button to open apps screen. And right now we have to scroll down and search for noise application that is located over here. Now, once you actually open it, as you can see, you can find that scale. Now, if I actually stop talking for a few moments, it will drop to 30 decibels. But if I'm gonna start talking, it's around 63. And that's the moderate sound. When you click on the information icon, you can find short description. So when you got the green mark, it means that the sound is below 80 decibels. That should not affect our hearing. If it is loud, you will get yellow information. And there's information for every sound level. And now you can just simply put it on your wrist and start using. It will also send you an automatic information if the sound goes above 80 or 85 decibels for at least 10 minutes. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.